A warm-up is important because it gets your body and mind ready for working out. It makes your muscles get more blood, slowly raises your heart rate, and loosens your joints. This helps you do better and lowers your risk of getting hurt. It also gets you mentally ready, which makes your workout more effective. Here are 3 challenging bird dog variations. Bird dog elbow plank. A bird dog elbow plank is similar to a plank on your elbows, but it's more difficult because, like in the bird dog exercise, you raise one arm forward and the other leg backward. It simultaneously tests your stability, core strength, and balance, and this is the example. And the most basic form of the bird dog exercise is knees on the floor. Maintaining a flat back and a taut core, you begin on your hands and knees, tabletop position, and extend one arm forward while extending the other leg back. Because your knees remain on the ground for support, this version is simpler and more stable than performing it in a plank, and here's the example. Bird dog in high plank. When you do a bird dog in high plank, you are in a push-up position with your arms straight and your hands on the floor. Then, while keeping your body still, you lift one arm forward and the other leg back. It's harder than the knees on floor and elbow plank versions because you don't touch the ground as much, which makes your core and balance work even harder. This is the example. Here are 3 challenging dead bug variations. Dead bug. One leg stays on ground. When you do a one-leg dead bug variation, you lie on your back, hold one leg in place with your hands, and move only the other leg while keeping your core tight, and this is the example. And dead bug. Hold one leg with hands. The dead bug hold one leg with hand variation is when you lie on your back, bend one knee, and hold it in place with your hands while the other leg moves in and out. Here's the example. Dead bug. Move opposite arm and leg at the same time. You lie on your back with your arms and legs up. Next, while keeping your back flat on the floor, lower your right arm and left leg at the same time. Then, raise them back up. Then you switch sides. This is the example.